Hey there everyone, it's been a while since I posted, but right in time for Mother's Day, I want to do a quick little doll room, and this is our mom cave. I hope you enjoy it. I had a great time putting it together. But before we get into the room tour, I'm going to need you to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you can get the buzz on the latest videos. So, a few weeks ago, I went to the Dollar Tree and they had these really nice kitchen towels, and I thought the print on there was really pretty. So I grabbed some contact paper because it was in the same color theme. And so for $2, we're going to do this project. I'm not going to buy anything else. So we're reusing old items. So I kept this old box and it's got the little plastic on there. So I'm thinking an automatic instant large window. And so the first thing that we're going to do is remove the labeling on there. And I'm using rubbing alcohol to help get the adhesive off of the plastic. So we can have a nice clean picture window. And it comes off really smoothly. You know, you have to put in a little work. It takes a moment, but it comes off nice and clean, which I was grateful for. And so from here, we're just going to cut the box. I actually cut it backwards. So we're going to have our wall on one side and our window on the other. Going to cover everything with the contact paper. Have quick and easy coverings for our walls. Now it's pretty flimsy, so we're going to reinforce it, make it a little bit stronger with some foam board. I'm going to use it to frame the window and create baseboards across the bottom. And in the corner, I'm going to use this pretty ribbon to create little curtains in the corner and add a little accent color, that pink. The floor is contact paper that we covered over foam board. So for some furniture, I've got two little boxes here. I'm going to stuff them with tissue paper and glue them shut. And then we're going to attach them with the hot glue and cover with our kitchen towel. So we have a nice little seat cushion. And we're going to use it to kind of make our little chase lounger. I've got two cardboard rolls. They're two different sizes, and we covered them up and put the larger one in the back and glued the smaller one to the side. And for the legs, we're just going to use push pins, insert them underneath, and have little instant legs for our chase lounger. That was quick and easy and really cute. So we're using popsicle sticks to create a little desk on the other wall. I'm going to remove the rounded ends using pliers to just snap it off, and then we'll use a nail file to get it nice and smooth. So I'm going to glue 6 popsicle sticks together and then a short stick across the top and bottom. And we'll do that 2 more times, so I'll have 3, and we'll glue it together. And to make it a little bit stronger, we'll add an extra piece across the bottom, and then I have a jumbo stick and I'm going to glue that across the top. And then we'll cover with paint, create a nice little table piece. From here, we're going to make a frame using more popsicle sticks. Glue 4 sticks together, and I went and actually got some sticks from outside, glued them onto our frame and painted. And when the paint dried, I glued it onto a piece of silver metallic paper. And you trim the paper and you have a quick and instant mirror, which I love, love, love. And I made a little wall art piece with a piece of scrapbook paper. We're going to add our wire chair. from a previous video. Those are quick and easy to make with craft foam. Then we're going to add a few items to our little desk. I'm going to glue a bead to a button. Then we'll glue in some pink flowers and paint. And have a cute little vase with flowers. And your mom cave, you're going to need pictures of your kids. So I've got some packaging from a fashionista. We're going to cut out some pieces. Cut out a little piece at an angle and glue it to the back of the piece that we cut out from the packaging. Then you have a quick and easy photo stand. And lastly, we're going to add some faux books and magazines. Put a cute little pink pillow on our Chase Lounger. And I've got this cool fur, and we cut it out and made a quick rug. So here's our mom cave. I really enjoyed putting it together. It didn't take that long, and we only spent $2 on materials. Everything else I used are items that I already had, which was pretty cool. So I'm happy about that. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I said, it was really cool putting it together. So now our little doll has a place where she can relax, hang out, maybe set up her laptop on her desk or read. So it's really fun. Again, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoy the videos, then please hit me up on social media. You know I always love to hear from you. And that's why we want to welcome Minnie for Life into the red carpet. Thank you so much for leaving a comment. Again, I appreciate you so much. And remember, it's more fun to make it. Happy Mother's Day!